Receipt of unconfirmed minutes of the following: Emergency Management Committee, the Taupo Airport Committee, Mangakino Pouakani Representative Group, Lake Taupo Protection Joint Committee, and the Turangi-Tongariro Community Board. So, can we do these en masse, Anne, as one agenda item? So I'll ask for a mover and a seconder for the minutes en masse. Then firstly I'll ask for amendments to any of those minutes which are listed as item number 4, which I just read out. Any amendments to any of those minutes? If there being none, I will ask for a mover and a seconder, please. Moved, Councillor Downard, seconded Councillor Johnson. All those in favour? Aye. Any matters arising from those minutes, please? Starting with the Emergency Management Committee. Moving on to Taupo Airport.